We have a quick breaking update about the Bollywood actor Rakulpreet Singh's brother, Amanpreet, who has now been booked and held for consuming drugs. Now, the continuous efforts of the Telangana Anti-Narcotics Bureau to bring down the drug abuse has been reported from Hyderabad and Cyberabad, and this is a big breaking update that has just come in of this massive detail that the police has put forward in a briefing that has just been concluded. They've actually said that Amanpreet Singh is one of the accused here. He is, remember, the brother of Rakulpreet Singh. He was arrested in connection to a drugs case after a joint operation by the Narcotics Bureau and the Rajendra Nagar SOT police. This comes under the Cyberabad police's jurisdiction. Our colleague Shomit is joining us live right now, and he's getting us more details of this. So, Shomit, I was listening into what you've heard from the cops here. They are, pretty clear about this recent drug bust. They say 5 people have been arrested in connection to this case under peddling. And Aman's name came up on the list of 13 who consumed the drugs. They even tested positive for the same.
Well, that's true. Actually, 5 drug peddlers, including 2 foreign nationals from the Nigeria, they have been taken into the custody. Actually, there is this Nigerian national who has taken another, passport from the West Africa, and she has been constantly back-to-back traveling from Nigeria to Delhi, from Delhi to Hyderabad. And she's working. Her name, she has been identified as Blessing, and she is one of the main henchmen of Ebuke, who is the kingpin in this case, and right now police are saying that he has been fled away to the Nigeria, and even 2 lakhs they have prize award has been issued if anyone identifies his or give his whereabouts to the police. And on the other hand, this woman Blessing, she has been constantly traveling, and she has been giving this cocaine to 3 to 4 other peddlers in the Hyderabad city. And initially police have put a surveillance on her, and when police got to know that she has been meeting these drug peddlers in a residence in the Hyderabad city in Hyder Shah Kote. So there they have conducted the raids, and they held these 5 drug peddlers, including 2 Nigerian foreign nationals, including this one of the main kingpin, Blessing woman, this woman identified as Blessing. Okay. And then police have also noticed that there are 15 consumers out of, and also 13 as of now identified, and out of 13, 5 have been already taken into the custody. In those 5 who have been taken into custody, Amanpreet Singh is one of the main key person who has been back to back continuously purchasing drugs from these peddlers, and is also mainly police also said that these are influential people. Aniket Reddy, Amanpreet Singh, and Prabhu, and few names have been taken by the police, and they said that these are influential people living in the upper class areas, and they are promoting these drugs, and so hence they have been arrested. And also even results for their medical tests conducted, because immediately after they were taken into the custody, urine tests were conducted, and in urine tests they have tested positive for the cocaine consumption, and they have been immediately taken into the custody, and for further medical tests they have been shifted to the local hospital as of now. And police said that the DCP of the Rajendra Nagar, who has led this operation, has said that very soon they will be produced before the court after the medical tests are done.
Okay. I think these are important details. About 199 grams of cocaine, 2 passports, 2 bikes, and about 10 cell phones is also what the police has seized so far. We have a reaction that have just come in from the team investigating the case. Let's listen in, Shomit, then I come back to you.
ఇంట్రాగేషన్ లో కొంతమంది పేర్లు వచ్చినాయి. ఇది కన్స్యూమర్స్ గా ఇప్పుడు మనకు 5 మెంబర్స్ ని వాళ్ళని తీసుకురావడము, టెస్ట్ చేయడము, వాళ్ళకు కూడా పాజిటివ్ గా టెస్ట్ రావడం జరిగింది. వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు హాస్పిటల్స్ పంపుతున్నారు. ఒకతను అనికేత్ రెడ్డి, ఇతను బంజారాహిల్స్ లో ఉంటాడు. వీళ్ళందరికీ కూడా కొకైన్ పాజిటివ్ వచ్చింది అన్నట్టు. తర్వాత ప్రసాద్ అని ఒకతను కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ బిజినెస్ లో ఉన్నాడు. ఇతను కూడా నేటివ్ రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ బంజారాహిల్స్. ఇంకొకతను అమన్ప్రీత్ సింగ్, ఇతను లోటస్ పాండ్ లో ఉంటాడు. తర్వాత మధుసూదన్, ఇతను మాదాపూర్ లో ఉంటాడు. నిఖిల్ ధావన్, అతను పంజాగుట్టలో ఉంటాడు. ఈ 5కి పాజిటివ్ మన దగ్గర కిట్ లో యూరిన్ టెస్ట్ కిట్ లో ఇమీడియట్ గానే పాజిటివ్ రిజల్ట్ వచ్చింది. మన SOT వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు లిఫ్ట్ చేసి పంపడం ఇంకా తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది. వాళ్ళు హాస్పిటల్ పంపుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు అరెస్ట్ అయిన ఈ 5ని కోర్టులో ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది మెడికల్ దాని తర్వాత. వీళ్ళ ప్రజలందరికీ విజ్ఞప్తి సమాచారం ఇస్తే తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ యాంటీ నార్కోటిక్స్ బ్యూరో 2 లక్షల రూపాయల రివార్డు ప్రకటించింది. మీ అందరికీ రిక్వెస్ట్, మీ ద్వారా అందరూ ప్రజల్లోకి వెళ్తే ఎవరైనా సరే గుర్తించి వీళ్ళ తరఫున ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏదైనా ఉంటే పిఎస్ ట్యాప్ నెంబర్ కి లేదా పోలీస్ నెంబర్స్ కి ఏ నెంబర్ కైనా ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ షేర్ చేయాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాము. దీంట్లో వీళ్ళ ఇంట్రాగేషన్ లో కొంతమంది పేర్లు వచ్చినాయి ఇది కన్స్యూమర్స్ గా. ఇప్పుడు మనకు 5 మెంబర్స్ ని వాళ్ళని తీసుకురావడము, టెస్ట్ చేయటము, వాళ్ళకు కూడా పాజిటివ్ గా టెస్ట్ రావడం